This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Beautifully remodeled brick ranch in the heart of Great Neck shows pride of ownership throughout. Open floor plan with gleaming hardwood floors, family room with wood-burning fireplace open to new gourmet kitchen with ZLINE gas stove, Whirlpool refrigerator, quartz tops, subway tile marble backsplash, and tons of storage. 3 spacious bedrooms with great closets and remodeled baths plus guest room with Murphy bed. Fantastic entertaining backyard with extensive pavers, fire pit, and storage shed. Top-rated school district. Located beside neighborhood playground and close to shopping, restaurants, and interstate. For more information, review the details below.